Hello everyone. Been trading for half an hour or so. I just thought I will kind of share some trades here. It's been a nice uptrending day, especially after 11 a.m. and we made a decent profit so far. There was a bad trade that I took here. I was kind of experimenting with something. Let me tell you what I did here. I think I tried to take contrarian short trade. So it's a nice uptrending day, and I was trying to take a contrarian short trade. And basically, I was testing, scale-in, and in this kind of uptrending trade, if something goes bad, whether I can come out for break even or not. So as you see, I came out for break even here, and even though I took a contrarian trade, which is big no, we should never take a contrarian trade, the contrarian short trade when the market is uptrending. So contrarian long trade is okay. Contrarian short trade, even then, the software helps you come out for break even after scaling in, but that's we are taking a risk. So here, so far we have taken 16 trades, 14 were profitable, 2 were lost. Basically, those were break-even losses, so close to $400. Market is still moving up nicely. So I would should have taken a trade with 2 contracts with ATM 2, but I did not. But that's okay. I'm going to just wait for my setup. After a nice trending day, I do not like to see this kind of, a big red candle. So this is one of the bigger red candles. This was a big red candle. One was here. So that's why I reduced the quantity again to kept it 1. Otherwise, I was tempted to take a trade with 2 quantities, 2 contracts. I could still take a trade with 2 contracts, so maybe I should. Let me see. Because market is back moving up on the upside. Risk is big, 50 tick risk. It's not. I do not like to take. Maybe I'll reduce it to 1 contract. So I would rather have a risk of less than 20 ticks when I take such trades. So somehow this trade did not happen. I'll take a manual trade here. Sometimes we don't get trade because that criteria is not met. I wonder what criteria did not meet here. I should have taken here. Let me see. Let me try and understand. I may have to look. So I was, it's still a new version of software we are trying to test. I haven't released it yet. Our subscribers have version 1. This is, I'm testing version 2. Made some changes. A lot of upgrades have been made. And I like to see that, it works well. And that's why I'm testing it. So here I would have expected it to take a trade. So here one close, 1, 2, 3. No, here one trade was there. It did not take it automatically. I could take it manually here. Anyway, this the kinks will be resolved when before we release the software. Um, I wanted to show you how we trade here. This was unplanned session. Did not plan. We don't trade through the afternoon, but since the market is trending nicely, I wanted to uh, share some trades, which I've been taking mostly in order to test my new version of the software. Um, so okay, I think I know what might have happened, so I have to fix this. I will take a screenshot of it so I remember. I will take this screenshot. So market is going to pull back and takes a support here. Then I'm going to switch to 2 contracts. If it continues the way it is, I'll continue to trade with 1 contract. I want it to pull back nicely. Once there is a nice pullback, then if the market goes forward, it will be a good 2 contract trade. So in this kind of market, nice uptrending market, I take default trades without any super scalper. But 1 more trade, nice profitable trade. So I think I know now why this trade did not take place, because 1, 2, 3, 2. I think this was a profitable trade, very close to the last trade. It does not take. Something is off here. No worries, not really. It's something for me to worry about, because here it took the trade perfectly. It was a nice trade here. Market is just moving up and up and up. One more profitable trade. Since I went live, I would say there have been 3 or 4 profitable trades. These were all before I went live. I was not planning to go live. It was just an ad hoc decision. I was testing the new version of the software, especially the super scalper strategy. In this kind of trend, I do not trade super scalper, but I trade default strategy. But since I needed to test this strategy, we made some changes here. Like here, we have included churn scalper as well, one more option. So earlier only super scalper was available. Now we have added one more strategy, churn scalper. So I will talk about it in my training after I release the software. But yeah, it's I thought I'd share the live session with you all. One more profitable trade. Yeah, trading only one contract. One of the reasons is maybe next one I would take 2 contracts if it's going to yeah, because I made a decent amount of profit today. I didn't want to lose that profit, by taking 2 trades. Need to go conservative once we have made money. So let me follow money management rules, not trade with 2 contracts. Otherwise, if I take trade with 2 contracts, I will hit my target for the day, like at $650, and I'll be stopping trading. But also, I need to keep in mind the money management. I don't want to lose what I have gained. So let me stick to ATM1, that's 1 contract, and see how things go. I'll go with 2 contracts if a market comes back to this level here. If it comes back to this level, I won't hesitate trading with 2 contracts. Again, it depends on how it comes to this level as well. Okay, market is, if it crosses this line, it will make a nice move upside. Let's see if it closes above. So it's a nice, good upside move here. And trade should happen if price crosses this high. Or maybe it won't. I see the reason why. Because this is a red candle, it doesn't like a red candle. It has to see two consecutive green candles. So this is again red candle. So trade is not going to work out here. Take a manual trade here because do see a reason that market could go higher here because there's a big candle here. But if it doesn't go, then it will scale in and try to come out of break even. So today I'm basically testing my software. We made some changes. I want to make sure changes work as planned, and also that nothing else has been broken. So one more profitable trade. So Super Scalper did not take a trade here because they were it looks for two consecutive green bars here, red, green, red, green, red, green. So it did not work out. So I took this trade manually. I clicked the buy button. If you see B here, it means I took the trade manually. A nice uptrend continues. A trade should come in here.
Target bill.
So $600 of profit. We get a nice uptrending day like this, software will do its job very nicely. If the problem happens when the market doesn't have a clear direction, and we have to be very tactical about our trades in those situations. We, we take some trades here, there, and watch the market very carefully, which direction it's going. Otherwise, a nice uptrending day, we don't have to worry much. Software will work, will take care of all the trades until it reaches the profit target. Commissions, it hit $650. So commissions were taken, so that's why it's under $650. So trade button disabled. So no more trades will be taken. So we reached the target that we had set for today, and that's good trading day. So here I'm getting a warning sign as well. Narrow range, no volatility, market is snoozing, stop trading or go defensive until market wakes up. So so I can re-enable these buttons, because if it hasn't truly reached 650, when it reached 650, trade buttons got disabled, but when the trade got closed, because commissions were taken, so the total PNL came below $650. I can re-enable the buttons and let it take one more trade and let it cross $650. But I'm not going to do that. But I'm also getting a sign that there is no volatility now in the market, so I better keep quiet, not take trades. So that's how we trade here. Let me show you. Max loss was 1300, was set at 1300, and profit target was 650. We reached profit target after taking 23 trades. 21 were profitable, 22 were losses. But those losses were, break-even losses, not that we incurred big loss. So hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much. Bye now.